The final club game of 2024 is the biggest of them all, the UEFA Champions League finals. This year's edition will see two teams with deep histories square off, with one is particularly known for its magic in competitions. La Liga's Real Madrid, जिन्होंने almost सारे ही टाइटल जीते हैं in this season, will face off against Bundesliga's Borussia Dortmund, जिन्होंने चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल 90s में जीता था। भाई इस मैच के लिए मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ये मैच टोनी क्रूज एंड मार्को रोयस दोनों का उनके क्लब्स के लिए लास्ट मैच होने वाला है एंड दे बोथ विल ट्राई देयर बेस्ट टू विन द लास्ट ट्रॉफी फॉर द क्लब्स। नाउ दिस वी कॉल एज अ लेगेसी। दोनों भी उनके क्लब के लिए इतने लॉयल है कि दे वांट टू रिटायर इन सेम। एट फाइनल्स वी गेट टू सी अ जर्मन क्लैश। अगर हम दोनों भी क्लब्स को कंपेयर करें फॉर मोस्ट चैंपियंस लीग टाइटल, देन रियल मैड्रिड हैज़ वॉन 14 UCL टाइटल्स while Dortmund has won. But guys, this will not define the result of finals because जिस फॉर्म से Dortmund खेल रही है for the last few matches is insane, totally next level. Real Madrid reached into the final by eliminating RB Leipzig, Manchester City and Bayern Munich from Group C. And if I talk about Dortmund, then Dortmund claimed first in Group F, which was the year's group of death. Teams like Paris Saint-Germain, AC Milan and Newcastle United. Apart from that, here are the squads for both the clubs. Some of the key players of finals will be Jude Bellingham as an attacking midfielder, जो लास्ट ईयर ही मैड्रिड में साइन हुआ है फ्रॉम हिज अपोनेंट क्लब इन द फाइनल विच इज डॉर्टमंड. With 19 goals and 6 assists in 28 league games, the 20-year-old has an opportunity for a storybook game. Next player will be Hummel from Dortmund. He is one of the best ball-playing centre-back you will see. On top of that, he has often been reliable as a box defender and hasn't let his loss of pace and athleticism deter him from being one of the best in his position. अगर कोई मैड्रिड के अटैकर्स को अंडर प्रेशर रख सकता है, then he is the best pick. Like Bellingham, Vinicius Jr. is a potential Ballon d'Or candidate. The 23 years old Brazilian has risen to the occasion in several games this year. He has 5 goals and 4 assists in 9 UCL games. अगर Julian Ryerson as a right back start करेगा from Dortmund, he will need to have the game of his life. क्योंकि विनीशियस को रोकना वो भी UCL फाइनल में काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा टास्क है. Another key player will be Toni Kroos. क्रूज ने उसका फर्स्ट UCL टाइटल वेम्बले में जीता था and he can end his career by doing the same. The 34 years German midfielder, one of the best to do it, is set to play his last game for Madrid before retiring at the conclusion of Euros in this summer. Kroos काफ़ी vital role play करेगा to compete against a team he is familiar with. Finally, we have Marco Reus. Someone will need to score for Dortmund at some point. BVB doesn't have the same world-class talent up top like Madrid, but Reus 34 is a club legend who could also write his name in the history book with a UCL title. He has never won the tournament or the Bundesliga since arriving in 2012, but he also has the chance at the fairy tale ending if he is used as a substitute. So that's all guys. UCL final काफ़ी ज़्यादा important है to win for both the legends and hopefully they will give their top class performance in the finals. इसी के साथ ये वीडियो यही ख़त्म करते हैं क्योंकि आगे की स्टोरी तो फाइनल के बाद ही पता चलेगी. अगर आप मैड्रिड या फिर डॉर्टमंड फैन हो देन प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड फॉर चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल हाइलाइट्स और रिव्यू के लिए मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लो.